In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group records in Airtable List View. By the end, you'll know exactly how to organize your records into clear sections so you can scan, prioritize, and report more easily. Start by opening Airtable in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, select the base you want to work with. If you're starting from scratch, you might see an untitled base. Click it to open. We're going to create a list view, which is great for clean, vertical reading and for grouping related items together. Open the view sidebar by clicking the three horizontal lines near the top of the interface. This panel is where you manage all the different ways to see your data. Choose Create New, then select List. Airtable will prepare a new list style view for this table. Click Create New View to confirm. You'll land in a simple scrollable list of your records, ready to customize. Now let's group. Look toward the top bar of your view and click Group. This opens the grouping controls for the list view. You'll see a field selector. Click the highlighted selector area to choose which field will define your groups. Pick a field that logically categorizes your records. Status is a common choice because it separates items by progress, like to do, in progress, or done, depending on your setup. Click Status to apply it. Your list immediately reorganizes into collapsible sections, one for each value of the field you chose. This makes it easy to scan what's in each stage, assign work, or spot bottlenecks. If your groups appear out of order, use the options in the group panel to adjust the sort, or simply reorder field choices in your table if needed. If you don't see the field you want, verify it exists in the current table and that the view isn't hiding it. Finally, choose what you need in the grouping options to fine-tune behavior. You can control whether empty groups show, whether groups start collapsed or expanded, and the order in which they appear. Pick the settings that match your workflow and the size of your dataset. Remember, you can always return to the group menu to change the field, tweak options, or clear grouping entirely if you want to go back to a flat list. That's it. You've created a list view, opened the group controls, selected a field like status, and adjusted the options to make your data easy to read. Use this approach whenever you need quick structure without building complex dashboards. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you set this up in your own base.